Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to use the batch process service within the customer dashboard area. First thing you're going to want to do, of course, is to log into your trade account. So go to Cartell.ie and look for trade login button in the top menu bar area. Click on the trade login button and then enter your username and password and click login. Now, after you log in, you will want to go to this top menu bar area and click on VRM data. After you click on VRM data, you will then click on this button here, the batch processing service button. Now you'll want to create a new batch job, so click on the create new batch job button, and then you'll select the service for which you want to create a new batch job for. Now, for the purposes of this demo account, I just have a regular VRM service here. Your company may have other services in this drop-down area depending on what services you're using. So I'm just going to click on this Cartell VRM service, and then I'm going to click on continue. After I click on continue, I'm asked for the uploading. I'm asked what am I uploading, and I'm going to say registration, which is what I need for this VRM service, and then the method by which I'm going to do the uploading. So you have two options here. You can enter the registrations in a text box, or of course the quicker option is to upload them from a file. So if you have a file with the various regs on it, you simply click upload from file. So let me just do that again, upload a file, and then the browse button, and then of course you go onto your own machine and you click on, here's the dummy information I have here, Joe Blogs car information, and then I'm going to upload that, and you'll see that the system will go through the process of uploading that file. It should take a few seconds. It has identified the file, so I'm going to start the process now by clicking this start process button top of this page, and you can see that progress bar there is uploading that file to your own company's dashboard area here, so you'll be able to access that information. And you'll see it's being processed, the state is finished, and there's a log there of the various tasks that have been carried out for this batch job. Final thing you'll want to do is to download the result. So again, very intuitive, very clear. At the top of the page you'll get that download result button. Just click on that and you can see that a copy of the file will be downloaded to your local machine, and you'll also get an email with the file attached to that email, sent to whatever your registered email address is. Okay, again, that depends on the permissions you have, and you'll see it just came in there. You see that new email, Cartell multi-registration lookup, batch process was completed, and if I open that email I will be able to again get the results of the batch process there. So that's how you use the batch processing service within the Cartell customer dashboard area. If you have any questions on it, get on to us at info@cartell.ie, or you can call us at 015241517. Thanks for watching this video.